ano ka sa baterya. Pilaga nang
20 nga daan, pisarablan, pila na naguro ka ba battery ang
Ngayon
mapakal
ka
sa
ba-
na yung mga 12 ka bilog na guro nga battery.
so parang hindi ka nang risk kung bakal sang sala eh.
Ito nawan mo niyan na yung iyang kuan pag ibutang da dayon kung ano nga klase battery kigwa gid dayon mo kung ano nga battery mo.
Pero yung makamutsura ni tatay mo.
Ayun, natulong mo na yan.
Huh?
Ayun, natulong mo na.
Dugay bro.
Oh.
Pila daw yung tindog
Do you
ng
want me
tubig.
to?
No?
Do you not need my size for anything?
Well, I was sending.
You just thought he was asking you one, right?
Well, yeah, because I sent him. I sent like.
I know,
Sleep till him
Salamat.
or-
I know what you said.
And then and then he showed me that Topic had some, and I sent screenshots of like the shirts and stuff that I like.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Whatever.